Alright guys, we have made it to the Lexus booth. I'm at the Chicago Auto Show, and behind me I have the one and only Lexus Rcf Track Edition. Let me show you around this beauty and give you some specs. Carbon fiber hood.
Right there. See the underneath. I'll get into it. Gonna need a cool shot of it.
Very nice.
Yeah, there you go. And that's right. And then of course.
Alright, look at the new LEDs. The check mark is slightly not as wide, but you got triple beam and the little dots for the turn signals. Lower spoiler right there. Fully carbon fiber roof and spoiler and hood to save weight. About 196 pounds of weight saving right here.
It also has titanium mufflers as well, from the headers to the front and back.
No kidding.
So in terms of the whole undercarriage, it's all lightweight again. It's in terms of the whole vehicle, it's all lightweight.
There you go. So headers, back is titanium for power and weight saving.
Yep, exactly.
Look at this. They did change this a lot. This looks very nice on here. Carbon ceramics, finally, 6 pistons.
Tires as well. There's a Michelin Pilot Sport 4S's.
4S's,
yeah.
Yep.
It's more of a stickier feel when driving the track. Yeah, you got a good taste. I love it. I love it.
275 rear tires.
That's awesome. That's awesome.
Look at that rear spoiler.
That's cool. It's always nice to
You have a little F embedded into the spoiler right there. The tail lights looks amazing.
Go 0 to 60 in 3.96 seconds.
Fully titanium exhaust, as you just heard the gentleman say. Look at that beautiful rear diffuser.
Stiffened suspension. Engineered carbon ceramic brakes. Designed like
Spoilers mounted to the trunk. Alright guys, what do you think? In person, I absolutely love it. Even the ride height is a lot lower than the standard RCF, so it doesn't look like it's sitting 5 inches above the ground. Back, the rear stance is pretty nice. The front is not bad either. Those red calipers stand out very nicely. The side fender flare looks like it's more aggressive than the standard car. It's a little wider than the regular one. Carbon fiber going down the side. I mean, it is beautiful. You got the carbon fiber up front, and the hood just looks stunning. Right, so there's the bad boy RCF. 472 horsepower. So they did do some kind of either tuning changes or small modifications to increase that power. The gentleman here said this has launch control, so it gets 0 to 60 3.96 seconds. Basically everything else looks the same, but wow, absolutely stunning masterpiece. Finally, the BMW M4 competition is gonna have some real competition with this car. Before, the RCF was overweight, slightly underpowered. Now, titanium exhaust from headers back. I mean, that thing probably sounds insane and performs great. So let me know what you think about this car. If you like it, if you dislike it, why you dislike it, why you like it, let me know in the comments below. And I can't wait to see this at a local Chicago F Club meet.